I'm Chelsea Matthews. I'm a module engineer technician for SPTD in Chandler, Arizona, and I've worked with Intel for the past 5 years. I joined Intel to be a part of a leading edge company that creates remarkable innovation because of their amazing reputation in the technology industry, and really always striving for greatness. The most exciting thing about being a part of SPTD is the amazing collaboration between technicians, engineers, and managers. When we're able to come together and accomplish the unimaginable, it's really rewarding. I'm really looking forward to the growth that we're going to see in the upcoming years. It's so exciting to see what our future is going to be. I'm Chelsea, and I am Intel.